Let us go with the problem number 7 here. Right. Which of the following is true with respect to 9 by 16 and 13 by 5? Right. So which means we need to compare here. So let us check out 9 by 16, right, and as well as 13 by 5. Right. So they have given, so 9 by 16 is greater than 13 by 5, 9 by 16 is equal to 13 by 5. Right. 9 by 16 is less than 13 by 5. Right. 13 by 5 is less than 9 by 16. So let us check out here. So by observing, see the numerator of this particular fraction, right? Numerator is less than denominator, right? So which means when you divide, so you are going to get the answer which is less than 1, right? Let us check out here. So that there is no need to do all these things, just only for the explanation purpose I am doing here. 16, so I can't divide, take decimal here, point, so 16 5s are, right, 80, right? So something will come, so there is no need to worry about it. Here it is going to give you 0.5 something will give. Suppose if you divide this, right, here the numerator is greater than denominator, obviously it is going to be more than 1, right? 13 that divided by 5 2s are 12, right, 1 remainder, so which is more than 2. So obviously what happens here, 13 by 5 which is greater than 9 by 16, right? Just check out here, 9 by 16 is greater than, so this is wrong, this is also wrong. 9 by 16 which is less than 13 by 5, so option C is the right one.